Setting up the WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that allows you to integrate payment processing into your application. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and client secret. These credentials are used to authenticate your API requests. First, log into the WorldPay dashboard and navigate to the developer section. Here, you will find the option to create a new client ID. Fill in the required information, including a name for your client ID and a redirect URI. The redirect URI is the URL that WorldPay will redirect the customer to after they have completed the payment process. Once you have created your client ID, you will be provided with a client ID and client secret. These values are used to authenticate your API requests, so keep them secure. You will also need to specify the payment processing region and the type of payments you want to accept. Next, you need to install the WorldPay API library for your preferred programming language. This library provides a set of pre-built functions that make it easy to interact with the WorldPay API. You can install the library using a package manager such as npm or Composer. After installing the library, you need to import it into your application and initialize it with your client ID and client secret. This sets up the authentication for your API requests. You can then use the library functions to create payment requests, retrieve payment status, and perform other payment-related tasks. When creating a payment request, you need to specify the amount, currency, and payment method. You can also add additional information such as the customer's name and address. The WorldPay API supports a range of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. To test your integration, you can use the WorldPay Sandbox environment. This allows you to simulate payment requests and test your application without actually processing live payments. Once you have tested your integration, you can switch to the live environment and start processing real payments. Best practices for setting up the WorldPay REST API include keeping your client ID and client secret secure, using HTTPS for all API requests, and implementing error handling to handle any issues that may arise. You should also ensure that you are compliant with relevant payment card industry standards, such as PCI DSS. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up the WorldPay REST API and start processing payments in your application. The WorldPay API provides a robust and secure payment processing solution that can help you to grow your business and increase customer satisfaction.